Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be talking about Atomic Wallet. So Atomic Wallet allows you to store your crypto safely off exchanges. So if you're new to crypto, then definitely listen to this. If not, then just skip ahead. So the reason you may want to get your crypto off exchanges like Coinbase or CashApp is that they have access to your private keys, meaning that you don't truly own your crypto. If they were to go out of business or their app wasn't letting you log in, or if they ban your account, your crypto will basically be locked away forever. And also exchanges have been hacked and people's exchange accounts have been hacked too, and people steal crypto that way. So Atomic is considered a hot wallet, which means it's always online. By using the Atomic Wallet, you get access and ownership of your crypto private keys and a 12-word recovery phrase. So before I tell you what a recovery phrase is, a hot wallet's like always held online. There's also cold storage wallet, like a Ledger Nano device or a Trezor device. Hot wallets are like this is definitely better though. They're not as good as cold storage, but they're way easier to understand and way easier to do, and way better than holding on an exchange. So this is a great step for newbies to move on to this. If you're new to crypto, this is a great way to start, and then you can get into cold storage after once you're kind of more advanced in the scene or whatever. So a recovery phrase allows you to restore your crypto in case you can't access the phone or computer that you installed Atomic Wallet on. So all you would need to do is just make sure that you have those 12 words written down on a piece of paper and stored away in a fireproof and waterproof safe. So be sure not to take any pictures or write down the 12-word recovery or the 12 words anywhere if you don't have to for security purposes. Don't even like at all. If you don't have to type it with your keyboard, do not. If you have to, then go ahead, but do your best to not type it or put it in a notepad or anything. Even if you're not going to save the notepad, don't even write it out on one unless you literally need to, just because there's ways that hackers can find out with you doing things like that. The chances are low, but still it's possible. So if you needed to access your crypto and you forgot your password or can't access your Atomic Wallet for other reasons, you can then go get your 12-word recovery phrase and input it into Atomic Wallet, as they give you the option to input your 12-word recovery phrase. Is kind of the point. The cool thing is, if Atomic Wallet goes out of business, you can also go to another wallet like Coinbase Wallet or Crypto.com Wallet, and they'll have a recovery phrase that you can input. That's most likely, usually all of them are compatible with each other with all the 12 words, and like usually mobile wallets and stuff like that are all compatible with each other with recovery phrases. So that's the cool thing about that, is you're not reliant on just one single company. So Atomic Wallet can be installed on either a computer or your phone. So whichever you think is the safest to install it on and have your crypto on is up to you. There is a password, obviously, to log in every time. And if you forget your password, you can't change it. You'd have to use your recovery phrase to unlock all your crypto and get it back. Atomic Wallet has the wallet feature, but also other great features like exchanging cryptos for other cryptos, a membership option to get cash back on crypto to crypto exchanges, buying crypto with a debit card, and staking cryptocurrencies. Although purchasing crypto with a debit card charges you 5% with a minimum deposit of $10, which is pretty high, as you can see right here. But it is nice to have everything in one place. I personally would recommend using crypto.com, which I have a referral link for that down in the description down below. But I recommend crypto.com to purchase crypto. Otherwise, I would recommend Coinbase Pro, as they have a 0.50% fee on anything almost up to like $10,000 that you buy. And you can always buy a specific crypto off of crypto.com, or if not Coinbase Pro, then just CashApp, because that's pretty simple and it's cheaper than Coinbase and cheaper than Atomic Wallet for the debit cards. So also you can buy a specific crypto off crypto.com with 0% fees like Ethereum, and then send it over to your Atomic Wallet and then use their exchange to swap Ethereum for a different crypto like Digibyte, as that one isn't on any of the other exchanges I just mentioned. So what I mean by that is you would go, after you deposit into your wallet, like your Ethereum wallet right there, you just click on exchange. You'd go to Ethereum, and then you just go to Digibyte, something like that, which I don't own any Digibyte. I do have Ethereum, just to disclose that. Should probably put those in my description. Okay, so 1 Ethereum is that much digibyte, and then I can click exchange. If I had enough Ethereum, obviously I can do less too. But yeah, so if I had enough Ethereum, I could just click exchange. It'll tell me the exchange rate, and I would have paid 0% fees. Although, make sure you check the fees of transferring over wallets, as this could possibly cost you more depending on the initial crypto you start this with. As you guys probably know, when you send Bitcoin to another wallet from yours, there's a miner fee. So depending on the crypto you buy, like Ethereum, you have to pay a gas fee. So just make sure that fee's low enough to then outbeat and be worth compared to like the normal fee, right? To where you're not going to be like, oh, I might as well just pay the 3% fee or the 4% fee or the 5% fee. So that's kind of a way to go around the fee. Crypto.com offers 0% and then just move that crypto over to here and then just exchange it. But yeah, like I said, be careful which crypto you do that with, because it depends. It might actually screw you over, but also it might not. So just look into the cryptocurrency you're going to use it with in the very first. I've personally bought USDC on Coinbase using my bank as payment, since they charge 0% fees for that. Kind of like how crypto.com is doing 0% fees. And then when it can be transferred out of my Coinbase wallet after the 3 to 5 days, I actually deposited it into my Atomic wallet, and then I used it to exchange for another crypto. So although you do have to make sure the crypto you start with can be swapped for the one you want, as some crypto pairs are unavailable. Like USDC might not be able to get me digibyte, but Bitcoin may be able to actually get me it. So you're gonna have to look into that though. All right, so now on to staking down here. So I'm going to read it off anyway. So the highest interest you can earn is with the Atomic Wallet token, but I've personally not been able to find out how to cash it out or swap it out for other cryptos. So if any of you watching know how to do that, then please leave a comment, because it would help out a lot of us, honestly. So the cryptos you can stake on their yearly yield is starting with Atom 10%, XTZ 7%, Tron 5%, Band 17%, Ontology 5.6%, Neo 1.4%, KMD 5.1%, Algorand or something 5.6%. Sorry about that. VeChain 1.63%. And the last thing I want to talk about is their membership option, but also, when you stake Cosmos Atom, which I'm moving over to my Ledger Nano S, is earning 10% on here. I think it's like 8% minus all the validator fees and everything, or Baker fees or whatever. It has a 7 to 11. Yeah. I unstaked it. This is a fresh new wallet though that I'm showing you guys. On my other Atomic wallet though, I unstaked my Atom, but then they have a 21 days wait period, and then I'm going to move it to my Ledger Nano device to then stake it on there and earn interest on there. Okay, so here's where we go to the membership. So this is actually really cool that I like about Atomic Wallet. If I had the money, I would definitely do this. It's a good deal if you're going to be buying crypto with them or exchanging crypto to cryptos anyways. Kind of reminds me of Kyber Network with the KNC token in a sense. So all you do is hold AWC, the Atomic Wallet coin, to BNB, which it's kind of like a pair or whatever, and you receive Atomic Wallet coin cash back. So for each and it's for each completed exchange, and rewards are distributed monthly. So I already did an exchange of a crypto for another crypto, which is why I think I got this. Yeah, I got a one-time bonus because I have like 10 or 20 AWC, and I think it was just like an airdrop just because I was doing exchanges and stuff. But the cool thing is if you buy enough, like you look, this is the user's choice, but 900, look at this, 900 AWC, that's 41 BNB. But then if you go to BNB on here, USDC, you have to go to 41 BNB, right? It's like 700. So it's like 680. So it's like around I'll just say like $670 to $700 because USDC is 1-to-1 with the US dollar. So that's, you'd literally need like over $500. to even get 0.5% cash back. And by holding this token, it's not a stable coin, so you are also kind of relying on the risk of it dropping in value or not, to where the 0.5 cash back may not even be worth it. But you can get up to $150 a month, and when you exchange things and you keep earning money from it. Kind of it's a cool way to earn money in a sense. It might just be like getting rid of the fees, because there might be a fee when you do the instant exchange. Kind of like pays up, gives you back that money or whatever. But then obviously you do have to. Here's AWC. Here we go. I think it's the yellow one. So it's like 64 cents. That one's 54 cents. But yeah, so you'd have to worry about the price changing in that. But obviously you can also do 300 AWC, which is almost 14 BNB. So let's do, only need 14 BNB. So this is a lot cheaper. Okay, cool. So we would just do like around $230. That's more reasonable. And you'd get 0.25% cash back and up to $100 a month, up to that using cash back. Obviously, you can get up to 1%, as you can see right here, to platinum. There's blue, silver, gold, platinum. But blue and silver seem a pretty good option. I wouldn't go any higher unless you think it's actually worth it for you. I mean, it's up to you. If you're going to be exchanging a lot and using Atomic Wallet a lot, and you like Atomic Wallet, I mean, you know, might as well invest in them, right? In their cryptocurrency. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like them a lot. It's easy to understand, easy to set up. And, you know, my channel is to help out newbies out there. So, I don't think there's a referral link in here anyways, but if there's a referral for Atomic Wallet, I'll have it down in the description. If not, I'll just link their official website for you guys to go install Atomic Wallet. And obviously, if you don't trust me, you can just Google it or DuckDuckGo it, whichever web browser you use, and find them yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I already said that, but if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content related to crypto. And I'll see you guys later in the next video.